in Celestial Park. Celestial Park is an ancient world brimming with lush greenery and flowing waterfalls. Inventors and poets have written ballads of this garden world which have been the source of inspiration for many of the greatest inventions and discoveries that we have come to know. Within Celestial Park, explorers and adventurers will find portals to other fantastical worlds that are just waiting to be discovered. We now stand in front of one of those portals. A portal to a world of tall mountains and steep cliffs. In this place, the Isle of Berk. Dragons and humans live together in harmony as friends. Now it is time to gather the cosmic energy of Celestial Park and activate this portal to another world. With sun and stars, the moon and time, the chronos spins and worlds align. For if you seek with curious heart, your compass true and stars to chart. Beyond this gate find a rocky isle, where Vikings and dragons greet you with a smile.
This side of, well, almost anywhere. Now granted, it might not look like much, but it packs more than a few surprises. So join us in a place where the service soars, the cuisine is fiery, and the locals are as colorful as you get. This is our paradise. Life here is amazing, but it's not for the faint of heart. Did I mention we have dragons? Yeah, lots and lots of dragons. Well, what are you waiting for? Who's ready to come face to face with a fire-breathing dragon?